know what? My dad bring me the big gun for our movie night.
Oh yeah? My dad got something new too.
Come on, Dad!
Cheers, bro.
What on earth is that?
Hey!
Guys, you see all that? Tom did it all by himself. All to make tonight's party perfect. My Tom, he's basically a tech genius. To be honest, all this is way too complicated for me, but he handles like it's nothing. Relax, he's got it under control.
Don't worry. We'll take care of it. All right, everybody, let's party!
Wow. What on earth is that?
Hey, bro, you're finally here. Check it out, my ultimate home theater. You'll never guess how much I paid for this.
Comes with a full Dolby Atmos setup.
Sounds good.
DIY installation, super easy. Oh, got it.
Just take it easy. Why don't we go hang out at my place?
What in the world is that thing?
Mobile theater station. Soundcore Nebula X1 Pro.